right, Sir Speid. Simple. You make this game look very, very simple. And it was a tough game, a pressure game. Tell us the plan coming into this game with a 1-goal lead.
Well, first of all, we always knew that we had to strike first because 1 goal might not be enough. But once we got that early goal, then it's just a matter of changing our team structure. Probably we changed about 3 times and make it very, very hard for you to even look. We just allow them to take some shot from distance. And you know, Vino is a quality goalkeeper. Very difficult to score from those distance.
So far, basically, the Cavaliers seem to have been a jinx to the Mount Pleasant team. Would you say that you guys are the worst opponent for them to face in the final?
I don't know if we are a jinx. We have just dominated them all the time. I mean, we play 15 times, have won 7. They won 2 and the rest draw. So I wouldn't say we are a jinx. It's just a way that we have been the team that win the most game against them since they come in the league.
And you're going up against them, that big game, how crucial to really lift that fighting time?
Well, if you notice, we lost 10 players before we started the season, 2 more during the season. And while everybody was huffing and puffing, we were just quietly going about our business. So we'll just quietly go about our business again when it comes to final.
You're a coach who have been to a finals and won finals already. This is the first one in Pleasant, the first final. What does the experience of the coaches in that aspect?
No, but Mount Pleasant doesn't have an inexperienced coaching staff. They have some of the best coaching staff that has coached Jamaica for years, probably over 10 years experience. So there's no inexperience there.
In the Jamaican Premier League still, what I'm seeing, you've never been to the final?
No, I don't know, but I'm just saying that that's not an inexperienced coaching staff. It's a very experienced coaching staff, more experienced than my coaching staff. So I don't think that will be a factor though. I think it depends on who comes with the best game plan.
Experience of the team, does that matter?
Oh no, but if you look at that team, they have the accumulation of all the best players in the country. They have serial winners in that team. So I think they have much more experience than us. Our team average is just 20, so they have everything in their favor.
What does it mean to lift another Premier League?
Well, it would mean everything for the club. I just wanted to put a plug in here. Cavalier has reached the final of all major senior competition, both female and male. The female team has gone to both finals, and Cavalier men team has gone to both finals of the Premier League in their respective divisions. So it's just a good feeling for the club and our fans and everybody who works hard over the last year to make it happen.
To a 16-year-old in the middle of a party, the Asian with Ronald Barrett. Tell us how difficult is it to get these youngsters to play at this particular level?
No, it's not difficult. What you have to do is to give them confidence, right? Then you teach them the ropes. And then one of the things that we did, we didn't teach them too many things, just enough. And then sharpen up on those skills just for that position. So we don't teach them too many things, so their job are defined, fixed, so it's easy for them to play in there.
The main man, Colin Anderson, who have been striking so far for Cavaliers, who have been lethal in front of goal. How important will it be for the final?
Oh, definitely. That's why I pull him, because he was feeling some little twinges, both him and Webster, so I pull him before the end. It's gonna be important. If he Colin plays and face the goal a lot, it's gonna be problems for anything.
It is a big achievement going to the finals without your 2 most important players, losing them just before era in Busy and King.
True, but we don't play players, we play system. So it's just the next man up.
The second finalist not sure Mr. Speid, how you feel about that and the chance?
No, it's a good thing because this year we were really ridiculous. We went even younger than when we won the title before by at least a year and a half. So, but it's just that we decided that this was our route we're going to take no matter what. And it has paid off for us.
But certainly the game, as you expected, played out as you anticipated and in your hands.
Oh yes, because them, you see, there's a thing called the meta, most effective tactic available. They had to come on us. There was gonna be holes in their team. We just exploited those with pace.
Thanks.